So just some quick addendum that I forgot to say before. There is a link here. It's gonna be at the end. Actually gonna put at the top. So watching this out of order. So there's a guideline. There are guidelines for creating your model, which are essentially what you want to do in this tutorial. So there's the bare minimum, expected behavior, advanced counters, and advanced tests. So I'm gonna focus on the bare minimum for now. I'm saying here exactly what I said in the tutorials. You have to create a struct for your model that is an abstract NLP model. You create a constructor that provides my model in this case. And here you have some of the basic informations that you want. X0, LVAR, UVAR, NCON, LCON, UCON, NNZH, and NNZJ. I have some notation here, which is intuitive. And these are the bare minimum of what you want to provide to most solvers, okay? Objective, the gradient is exclamation, has structure, has chord, H prod. Cons, jack structure, jack chord, J prod, and JT prod. Has chord and H prod again. Okay, so has chord and H prod appear twice because these are for the Lagrangian and these are for the objective. Okay, so essentially what I say is that all methods should return the modified vectors. As you saw, we have tested that. The vector inputs should have the correct size, and if necessary, the user should pass them using views or slices. You can check that the vectors have correct size using lencheck, a macro at lencheck. So let me show here. At lencheck, you would write something like, before the increment, at lencheck, the size, so I could use this, and x. So you're saying that x needs to be of size n. This works when you have more than one value as well. At length check n, x, and g. Okay, so this, as you see, it works the same way as before. But now if I pass a vector with a different size, for instance here 0's11, it's gonna error. Okay, so if you want to pass a larger vector, you can use a view. Another part of the guideline, we do not assume order nor uniqueness in the triplet format, as I said, of course. Okay, there are some information on advanced counters and advanced tests if you want to use. Okay, so that's it for our addendum. I'm gonna talk a little bit about the regularization model next. I'll see you next time.